Morning. Today is the 13th of Sunday, and I'm making a trend recap of Euro I'm going to be very fast. Let's first take a look at the monthly. Uh, Monthly, we had a break of structure here. That was our previous break of structure. We have a structure here as well, somewhere here. Go to our weekly. Weekly, we see that the break of structure we had on the monthly, it's around this place, but it was already tested on the weekly. So price is more likely not to come back down here because we have a structure here. I mean, it could come back down at a later time, but not at the moment because price is too bullish. It's too bullish. So we have a break of structure here on the weekly. Here on the weekly, it's deep down our daily. Our daily, we see here that there's a structure that needs to be retested. I had already marked it. Guys, I'm being very fast because everything here is very simple. There's nothing to explain, like nothing complicated to explain. So go to 4 hour. For hour we have our structure still marked very well. So we are looking at price coming down to bounce from this zone here and then go up. This zone is very strong because one, it is a daily break of structure, 4 hour break of structure, weekly break of structure. It is here. We have structure here. So price could come, test this week, and then continue going up this coming week. Yeah. We have 1 hour. Price has been making higher highs and higher lows. Impulse correction. Impulse correction. Yeah. So when price gets this zone, please look for buy. Look for your buys. Buys. Uh, in case of we have CPI this week. If CPI comes in and it pushes price down this way, if it really pushes price down to this zone here, that will be a very strong CPI. Very strong. So yeah, the zones we are looking at is here and this zone as well. Because this one was also not retested. Let me check it out. So on the daily, yeah, so valid. Then on the weekly, not so much. Then on the monthly, I think on the monthly it is this one here. Yeah. So that's it with Euro USD. So technically, we first saw the market impulse. It gave us a reversal pattern. Increased its, I believe here there's a resistance here. I believe so. Because this price can give us, I think this is a triple top. 1, 2, 3. So if you literally entered from this zone here, then I'm sure you made some good money. Yeah. You know your entry rules. You know how to enter. You gave actually a lot of opportunities to enter from this zone here. I really didn't enter because I didn't have my zones marked. Yeah, I didn't have my zones. I didn't have my zones marked. So yeah, give you one, first one. See this candlestick here, reversal candlestick. Put enter, put stop loss above here. The impulsed came back up. On impulsing, actually, in impulsing, it gave you it broke structure. Came back up, didn't break the structure there. It gave you a bearish candlestick. Entry point number 2. Immediately you saw this bearish candlestick, you could enter. It came back down, gave you a break of structure. Came back up to retest, gave you a bearish candlestick again. That was entry level number 3. Gave you a break, gave you another break of structure. It came back up to retest again. Give you a bearish candlestick here. Entry number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Entry number 4. You see? Yeah. You could enter again, put stop loss above there. Yeah. You wouldn't if you did that, you weren't taken out. Boom. See that? So yeah. I really didn't take those trades because I was not on the charts. I was not on the charts. So let me show you. This was supposed to be your first trade. I don't know how you would have to take profit based on you as an individual. Yeah. That could have been my first trade. Yeah. And my second trade would have been this. Second trade would have been that. Okay, let us not say second trade or third trade. Let us say entry. Yeah. My third entry would have been there. Like that. You see even the way I've put my I don't know how this is called. The way I've drawn this shows that price is moving down. This, this, this. You get that? Eh? So if you knew how to enter, because in Forex now you don't just enter, you have to look for confirmations. There are always entry rules. Know your entry rules and then some of you have taught you how to enter. So yeah, that would have been very easy for you. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. 3 entries and you're done. Very easy. So let us see how we could approach these things in next week. So we are seeing the daily block structure here. The daily block structure here to show you that it's going down. But then the beauty of it is that it is showing reduced momentum. Yes, it is showing reduced momentum, meaning the sellers are exhausting. And what does that mean? When price reaches this zone here, the sellers will be exhausted and price will just shoot up. You get me? Yeah. Price will just shoot up. So right now price is in a channel. Now price is in a channel. Expecting for it to come down here. So it will give us something like this. Boom and boom. To continue to the upside. To continue to the upside. But remember, I've told you, since we have CPI, there's a chance of price coming back down here. You see? There's a chance of price coming back all the way down here. But that doesn't really matter. Because doesn't really matter because price action is still clear. So there's nothing to fear there. See that? Channel. Then when it reaches this zone, we shall be looking for buys. So how are we approaching this? 1 hour. I'm really not going to teach you guys this. Because, yeah, I've already told you how to enter and how to trade these things. Let me draw this one. Perfect. So that's okay. And get to this one, look for buys.